Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to discuss a topic that might sound a bit harsh, but it's important to address. If you've ever wondered why success seems to elude you, it might be because of certain habits or behaviors holding you back. In this video, we're going to dive into the things you should avoid doing if you want to achieve success in your life. So let's get started. 1. Lack of clear goals. Imagine setting out on a journey without knowing your destination. How would you know which path to take, or when you've arrived? It's the same with success. Without clear goals, you're like a ship without a compass, drifting aimlessly on the vast ocean of possibilities. But fear not, because there's a simple solution: setting clear goals. To get started, take some time to reflect on what success truly means to you. Is it financial freedom, a fulfilling career, or a happy family? Whatever it may be, it's important to define your own version of success. Once you have a clear vision, break it down into actionable steps. These steps will serve as your roadmap to success. For example, if your goal is to start your own business, break it down into smaller milestones like market research, creating a business plan, securing funding, and launching your product or service. Each step brings you closer to your ultimate goal and provides a sense of direction and purpose. Remember, clear goals provide you with focus, motivation, and a sense of direction. They serve as a compass, guiding you towards success. So take some time today to sit down, reflect on your aspirations, and set clear goals that align with your vision. Trust me, it will make all the difference. 2. Fear of failure. Fear of failure is a natural human instinct. We all want to avoid disappointment and setbacks. However, it's crucial to recognize that failure is not the end of the road. In fact, it's often a necessary part of the journey towards success. Successful individuals understand this and have a different perspective on failure. Thomas Edison, the inventor of the light bulb, once said, "I have not failed. I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work." Edison's mindset highlights an important truth. Failure is an opportunity for growth and learning. It's through failure that we gain valuable insights, adjust our strategies, and ultimately achieve success. To overcome the fear of failure, it's important to reframe your perspective. Instead of seeing failure as a negative outcome, view it as a valuable teacher. Embrace failure as a chance to learn, adapt, and improve. Each failure brings you one step closer to success. Additionally, surround yourself with a supportive network. Seek out mentors, friends, or communities that understand the journey to success. They will provide encouragement, guidance, and remind you that failure is a shared experience among the most accomplished individuals. Remember, success is not a straight line. It's a winding path with bumps along the way. Embracing failure as a natural part of the process will give you the courage to take risks, learn from your mistakes, and keep moving forward. 3. Procrastination. Procrastination is the enemy of productivity and success. It's the act of delaying or postponing tasks that we know we should be doing. Whether it's putting off work, avoiding important decisions, or simply wasting time on unproductive activities, procrastination can have a detrimental effect on our goals. But fear not, because there are ways to overcome it. One of the primary reasons we procrastinate is the lack of motivation. We often perceive tasks as overwhelming or unpleasant, leading us to delay them. To combat this, break down your tasks into smaller, manageable steps. This way you can tackle them one at a time, making the process less daunting. Another effective strategy is to create a schedule or to-do list. Prioritize your tasks based on importance and deadlines. By having a clear plan, you'll have a visual reminder of what needs to be done and when. This helps in staying focused and accountable. Moreover, eliminate distractions. Identify the things that tend to pull you away from your tasks and find ways to minimize or eliminate them. It could be turning off notifications on your phone, finding a quiet workspace, or using website blockers to limit access to time-wasting websites. Accountability can also be a powerful tool to overcome procrastination. Share your goals and progress with a trusted friend, family member, or mentor who can provide support and hold you accountable. Having someone to check in with regularly can provide that extra motivation and push you to stay on track. Remember, procrastination steals precious time and hinders your progress. By breaking tasks into smaller steps, creating a schedule, eliminating distractions, and seeking accountability, you can overcome procrastination and reclaim control over your productivity. 4. Lack of discipline. Discipline is the bridge that connects your dreams to reality. It's the ability to consistently make choices that align with your goals, even when it's challenging or inconvenient. Without discipline, we fall prey to distractions, make poor decisions, and struggle to follow through on our commitments. But don't worry, because discipline is a skill that can be developed. To cultivate discipline, start by setting clear boundaries and priorities. Identify what truly matters to you and align your actions accordingly. This means saying no to distractions and temptations that don't contribute to your long-term success. By setting boundaries, you create space for focused work and productive habits. Building routines and habits can also help reinforce discipline. Create a daily routine that includes activities related to your goals. For example, if you're an aspiring writer, schedule a specific time each day for writing. Over time, these routines become ingrained habits, making it easier to stay disciplined and consistent. Accountability plays a crucial role in maintaining discipline. Find an accountability partner or join a community of like-minded individuals who are also striving for success. Share your goals, progress, and challenges with them. Their support, feedback, and encouragement will keep you motivated and accountable. Lastly, practice self-reflection and self-awareness. Understand your triggers, tendencies, and weaknesses that may lead to a lack of discipline. By being mindful of these patterns, you can proactively address them and develop strategies to overcome them. 5. Negative self-talk. Negative self-talk is that critical voice inside our heads, constantly doubting our abilities, undermining our confidence, and fueling self-doubt. It's like having an internal enemy, constantly tearing us down and limiting our potential. But fear not, because we have the power to transform this negative self-talk into a positive force that propels us towards success. The first step is to become aware of your negative self-talk. Pay attention to your internal dialogue and identify the negative thoughts or beliefs that frequently arise. Notice how these thoughts make you feel and the impact they have on your motivation and actions. Once you're aware of your negative self-talk, challenge those thoughts. Question their validity and replace them with positive and empowering statements. For example, if you catch yourself thinking, "I'm not smart enough to succeed," challenge that thought by replacing it with, "I am capable of learning and growing. I have the intelligence and skills to achieve my goals." Creating positive affirmations can be a powerful tool to rewire your thinking. Write down positive statements that reflect your strengths, goals, and aspirations. Repeat these affirmations daily, especially during moments of self-doubt. Over time, they'll become ingrained in your mindset, boosting your confidence and self-belief. Surround yourself with a supportive network of people who believe in you. Seek out mentors, friends, or communities that uplift and encourage you. Their positive influence can counteract the effects of negative self-talk and provide a nurturing environment for growth and success. Remember, the way you speak to yourself matters. Replace negative self-talk with positive affirmations, challenge self-limiting beliefs, and surround yourself with positivity. By shifting your internal dialogue, you'll cultivate a mindset that fuels your success rather than hinders it. 6. Lack of adaptability. In a world where change is the only constant, being adaptable is essential for success. It's the ability to adjust, evolve, and embrace new circumstances and opportunities. Those who can adapt quickly have a higher chance of overcoming challenges and achieving their goals. So, let's explore how you can cultivate adaptability in your own life. The first step is to develop a growth mindset. Embrace the belief that your abilities and intelligence are not fixed, but can be improved through effort and learning. See challenges as opportunities for growth rather than obstacles. This mindset shift lays the foundation for your adaptability. To cultivate adaptability, seek out new experiences and challenges. Step out of your comfort zone and expose yourself to different perspectives, industries, and skills. This broadens your horizons and helps you develop the ability to navigate unfamiliar territories. Embrace a continuous learning mindset. Stay curious and be open to acquiring new knowledge and skills. Keep up with industry trends, technological advancements, and relevant information in your field. This allows you to adapt and thrive in an ever-changing landscape. Another key aspect of adaptability is maintaining a flexible approach. Be willing to let go of rigid plans or expectations, and adjust your course when necessary. Stay agile and responsive to changes in circumstances, market conditions, or feedback. Adaptability requires the ability to pivot and make informed decisions in real time. Lastly, surround yourself with a diverse network of individuals. Engage in conversations and collaborations with people from different backgrounds, cultures, and perspectives. This exposure to diverse ideas and viewpoints enhances your adaptability and expands your problem-solving capabilities. Remember, success is not an overnight achievement. It's a journey that requires consistent effort, self-reflection, and the willingness to learn and grow. By avoiding these common pitfalls, you'll set yourself up for a greater chance of success. So, which of these behaviors have been holding you back? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more valuable content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.